Hey y'all, it's me Alex. Today I have a video that I am doing in collaboration with a whole bunch of other wonderful people here on YouTube. We're doing an Eeveelution collab in honor of Detective Pikachu / we all just really like Pokemon. So I'm gonna name off everyone and then I'm gonna explain what we did. So the people I'm collaborating with here are all fabulous and you should definitely check them all out. We have Cher Jonathan, Bad to the Brow, Butte Bean, Charisma Beauty, Lisa Lobotomy, Mia's Virtual Vanity, Nerdy Girl Makeup, and Prue. We've been working on this for a few weeks now, and it's just been a really good time. Basically, the gist of the collab is that we each picked an Eeveelution to base our makeup around, all different sorts of Eeveelutions. So for me, I picked GLACEON because her hair is like the greatest and kind of looks like mine. So that is what this look, I need to stop flicking my earrings. So that's what this look is based on, and I'm just gonna get into the video. Okay, so obviously I already have my brows done, so I am going to go in with my NYX HD eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes. I'm not gonna set my eyes, I do not do that. This helps the pigment show up the greatest. I haven't like filmed a tutorial in a while. I am going to begin by taking the shade Myth or Legend, this nice teal from the Menagerie Cosmetics Dragon Child palette. I think this one is getting discontinued, which is really sad. I really like this one. And I'm just going to apply that into my crease. I think I'm going to do like a cut crease look for this. I've had so many different ideas about what I should do. And I'm going to blend that up pretty close to my brow bone too, because I like doing that for a cut crease look. And then I'll just go back over it with some white shadow when I actually decide how my cut crease is gonna look. And I'm gonna put that over the outer corner as well. Okay, so now to kind of cut my crease, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in Halo. So this brush, I haven't used this on camera yet, but this brush is like really huge and I don't like that for my eye shape. So I'm going to take it on this smaller, thinner brush here, and I am going to apply that right next to my lash line. And I'll look up. The next shade that I am going to use is Dragon Rider from that same palette, and I'm going to do that towards the middle of my cut crease there. And I'm not going to do it all the way over, I'm going to just do it towards the middle because I want to have a nice light blue shade on the inner part. So I haven't used this palette in like 20,000 years. The BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic has some pretty cute light blue shimmer shades, which is kind of exactly what I wanted for this look. I am going to begin by putting Electra, this shade, on the inner half of it. Like I'm gonna top the blue shade, I think, with another shimmer. I'm like really digging into the shadow. I know I should use it wet, but I don't have any setting sprays or anything like that with me. And I am going to take the shade Earth and just layer that over the blue that I put in the center. Oh yeah, that makes, it's like a subtle difference, but it makes it better. Oh, this looks so good. Let me just put a little bit more of Electra on the inner corner of this one. And then I am just going to use the brush that I used to do the crease shade to blend it a little bit at the outer corner. I'm gonna put on my concealer real quick. I do believe it is lower lash line time, so I'm gonna just take a little bit more of Myth or Legend. I'm just gonna dust that along my lower lash line. And I'm using this e.l.f. blending brush that I got myself for my birthday. And holy crap, you guys, it is fabulous. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to use up my Kat Von D Alchemist palette. And I'm just going to take the shade Blue Sapphire. I'm just going to stick that in my inner corner. And I also just realized that I never fixed my brow bone like I said I was going to, so I'm just going to take a white eyeshadow and put that up there. I'm now going to take my e.l.f. and J. Kissa eyeliner, the little like teal one that she came out with, and I'm just going to put that in the lower waterline because this is the one like colorful eyeliner that I have, and it just so happened to match this look. Then I'm going to just use my NYX Epic Ink Liner in black, and I'm going to just do some wing liner up top. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on some mascara. Now I'm just going to throw on some contour real quick, using up my Panda palette. And I'm going to add just a touch of my NYX matte bronzer in medium, which is this is what it looks like. It's a nice little dupe, I feel like, for the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, although it doesn't smell like chocolate. And I think for my highlight, I'm just going to use the same shade from the Alchemist palette, the Blue Sapphire that I used on like my inner corner. And just apply that using a Real Technique setting brush to my cheekbones. And for my blush, I'm going to use the Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore. And finally for my lips, I'm going to use the Apocalyptic Beauty lip gloss in Lovecraftian, which is this color. I think it'll go quite nicely with the rest of the look. Okay, I'm liking this. This is the finished look. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out all of the other wonderful people in this collab. Check out all of the other Eeveelutions. I'm really excited to see everyone's video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe down below if you want to see more videos from me. And I will see you on my next one. Hope y'all have a wonderful day. Bye!